What's going on, everyone? Thanks for checking out 6 Point Survival. Today we are doing a few different things out in the woods, but I wanted to go over a quick and easy way to store line while you're working with it. So, behind me there's a lot of pine trees amongst other kinds, but there's no low branches that I can easily hang my lines over while I'm working with them. I really don't like to throw my lines on the ground. They get stepped on, they get lost, they get damaged. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to do that. Start with your daisy chain. You're going to undo your daisy chain. If you want to see how to tie a daisy chain, check out the link and that will give you a quick instruction on how to do that. But a daisy chain is just a way to store your lines. That's just a series of slip loops so you can pull it, and now they're all undone. They won't get tangled in your pack. If I'm going to be building a shelter, I like to try and find a tree that's a little bit thinner in diameter. If you find a really thick one, this tends to be a little bit more difficult, one, to wrap your lines around, and two, to get your lines off of. All I'm going to do is start somewhere around eye level, crisscross the lines in back, cross them again in front, and I'm just going to go around 2 or 3 times here, crisscrossing all the way down, and then I can just let the lines go at the bottom. They'll come undone a little bit, but the top's still holding in place. When I'm ready for a line, all I do is grab one, give it a pull, and my line comes off for me. So super quick, easy way to get your lines or have them held up off the ground for you and stored while you're working with them. Thanks for checking it out. See you.